Open Microsoft Word. Click right on Ribbon section. Click Customize the ribbon.
Add new tab. Rename the tab. Choose Commands from Commands not in the ribbon. Search Speak and click at selecting new group in the tab and press OK button. Now you can see Speak tab. Fill text in document area, select theme and click Speak in ribbon section.
A hello, world, program generally is a computer program that outputs or displays the message hello, world. Such a program is very simple in most programming languages, and is often used to illustrate the basic syntax of a programming language. It is often the first program written by people learning to code.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.